Good morning, dear students. So I am taking exercise 3.3. Again, question number this is 14. Just you see how to solve question number 14. And the remaining questions, the previous questions, you go on trying. If you have got any doubt, just you let me know. Question number 14 we will try now. Okay. So we need to prove that sine twice x plus sine 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sine 4x. So left hand side you see, here the left hand side is equal to sine twice x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x. Okay. So here if we combine this, just you see in our result what is required, sine 4x is required. So this sine 4x will be required. So that means leave it as it is. So then 6x and twice x we don't say here. So let us combine this sine twice x with sine 6x. So it can be written this way: sine twice x plus sine 6x together plus 2 sine 4x. Okay. Then it is sine twice x plus sine 6x, that is in the form of sine a plus sine b. No? So sine a plus sine b, you recall, twice sine a plus b by 2 means twice x plus 6x by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. A minus b means twice x minus 6x by 2. So plus 2 sine 4x as it is. No? This 2 sine 4x. So, dear students, you see here what we are getting. This is by that identity, sine a plus sine b identity. So now it is here sine twice x plus 6x by 2 is 8x by 2. 8x by 2 is 4x into cos twice x minus 6x, that is minus 4x by 2 is minus twice x. So you can write here minus twice x plus 2 sine 4x. Okay. So then here we get sine 4x, and as you know cos minus theta is cos theta only, so cos twice x only plus 2 sine 4x. Now this 2 sine 4x is present in both the terms. See, here is 2 sine 4x and here also it is there. So we can take that 2 sine 4x as a common factor. If we take that 2 sine 4x as a common factor, then in bracket what will be left out? 2 cos twice x plus 1. So we will get here 2 sine 4x into cos twice x plus 1, that is cos square 2 cos square x minus 1, no? 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos twice x is 2 cos square x minus 1 plus this 1. This one means for this cos twice x you have this 2 cos square x minus 1 and plus this 1. So this minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. The final thing is like this: 2 into 2 is 4. Then cos square x is there. Then sine 4x is there. So this is the result, the right hand side. The right hand side of the expression. So hence proved. Okay, dear students. Let us take one more question. So now we are taking question number. This is the one, that is 15. That is cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x. This part let us simplify, left hand side. Okay, and the right hand side also we have to simplify because two different results here. From this you cannot get directly this one. You may get another expression here, and from here also you will get the same type of one expression, same expression, that means. So we need to simplify. In some cases we need to simplify both the sides. This is of that pattern. Okay, dear students. So sometimes you will get directly the other side, but in this case you are not going to get, because here you see, here the plus operation between sine 5x and sine 3x. If we apply here sine a plus sine b and here sine a minus sine b, then both will give us different expressions which will be balanced with these two coefficients. So that's why we need to simplify both sides. Okay. So I am first writing the left hand side part of that. Left hand side is equal to, left hand side is cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x. Okay, then we'll get here cos 4x by sine 4x, this one, and here we'll get what, sine a plus sine b, that is twice sine a plus b by 2, means 5x plus 3x by 2, 5x plus 3x by 2. Okay, and into cos a minus b by 2, means 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay, then here we'll get cos 4x by sine 4x to 2 into sine 5x plus 3x is 8x, 8x by 2 is sine 4x, and into cos 4x by 2 is cos 2x. 2x by 2 is just cos x, because you see 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2 to cancel, so it will be cos x. Okay dear students, once again I am writing that line, cos 4x by sine 4x into 2 times of sine 4x into cos x. So we are cancelling this sine 4x with this sine 4x. The final thing is from left hand side, twice cos 4x into cos x. Okay, this is the result of left hand side. Now right hand side you take, the right hand side. So this is suppose 1. Now right hand side is what? That is cot x into, in bracket, sine 5x minus sine thrice x. Okay dear students, so here it will be cot x is caused by sine into, if you express it by again sine a minus sine b formula, it will be what, twice cos a plus b by 2, means 5x plus 3x by 2, cos 5x plus 3x by 2 into sine a minus b by 2, means 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay dear students, then it will be cos x by sin x into twice cos, this is 8x by 2 is 4x, into sine 2x by 2 is x. So then cos 4x, this sin x and this sin x will get cancelled. Then what is the outcome here? The result will be twice cos 4x into this cos x. This is the final answer. So dear students, we got the same thing in equation 1. This is also twice cos 4x into cos x, and in this equation 2 also we got the same thing. You see, twice cos 4x into cos x. So this is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, what you can say? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. You don't forget to write like this. Therefore 1 and 2 give us that, implies that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. This is last line. Okay dear students, you try to understand. This is the last line. Okay dear students, we will see in our next class, and you have got test also on Monday. So our this lesson, this chapter number 3 will be, I will discuss in one more class about the types of questions that I will give in the test, okay, in our tomorrow's class. So you go on practicing and try to apply the identities that you have learned in the remaining questions. Okay, any doubt you have, you just let me know. Thank you and have a nice day.